No. Hi, good afternoon. I'm Susan Castriota. This is my granddaughter, Natalie. I'm the inventor of the patented Cuchina Safe Lids. These are the little glass steamers to use in the microwave to cover bowls. All right, so today we're going to do a couple things in the kitchen. Natalie loves Nana's scrambled eggs. So today we're going to do some scrambled eggs in the microwave, which are so easy and they're so good. We're going to do some steamed vegetables, and we're going to do, what was the other one? Popcorn. All right, so it's very, very easy. I've got two scrambled eggs, or 2 eggs right here. Natalie, would you like to get the whisk?
Whiskey.
Okay, you want to start whisking that away? All right. And what we do is we cover the eggs and put them in the microwave for 45 seconds. Take it out, stir it a little bit, put it back into the microwave for 45 seconds. You can add cheese or butter or vegetables, anything you want to that. But these are the Cuchina Safe Lids, and these cover bowls. And they're vented right here so that steam escapes, and you're cooking with steam. Oh my gosh, that's great, Natalie. Thank you. Good job. So we've got our eggs all mixed together. Yes, you can. And this is the 9-inch lid. I sell the 8-inch lid and the 9-inch lid as a set, or I sell just the 8-inch lid by itself. So this is the nice thing about these lids. You flip them over. They can be used any way. They're universal fit. They fit on many sizes of mugs, cookware, bowls. All right, so into the microwave for 45 seconds. And in that 45 seconds, I'm going to show you what I brought out of the microwave right before we went live.
Yeah.
Steamed broccoli. Ooh, Natalie, don't you just love steamed broccoli? I do. Steamed broccoli. This is great. It's so healthy. When you steam your vegetables, you use less water in the microwave. You use less water, so you preserve your nutrients and your vitamins. And this is it's a very eco-friendly way to use glass instead of either plastic wrap or paper towels. So I did these broccoli in the microwave. I put about 1/3 cup of water, and I cooked those for about 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. And perfect broccoli, which I will probably eat, but I don't think Natalie will eat broccoli. All right, now we're going to check on our eggs. Oh.
We have other eggs over there.
Yes, we do. We do. We actually made some eggs right before we went live.
Because it didn't work, and we were like, what the?
All right, so while Grandma's finishing it, Nana's finishing these, why don't you start on the eggs? Do you want any butter to add to that?
Sure.
So take a little butter and mix it in there. So that we've got about another 45 seconds. Everybody's microwave is going to be a little different, so you just have to kind of gauge it. My recipes are on CuchinaSafe.com. I have a recipe book of over 90 recipes that you can download. All right, we're going to do 45 seconds.
Okay, people, please don't watch me eat food.
Well, you're in front of the camera. Just keep your mouth closed when you're eating. How about that? You have to let everybody know how great the eggs are. All right, so we've got popcorn. Popcorn's another thing that Natalie and the kids absolutely love. Super simple in the
And you
microwave.
can use it at the movies.
That's right. We can even take it before we go to a movie. Take the popcorn that we make in the microwave.
So then you don't have to buy it from the place.
All right, that's fine. And then we're also going to do just some steamed vegetables, which I'm going to save later for dinner, and probably make some kind of a fajita or something like that. All right, so we are done with the eggs.
Oh no. One egg for me.
Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, this looks like a souffle. That's how amazing this is.
What's a souffle?
A souffle, oh, it's just a type of an egg. Take a look at that. So you just add some butter, some salt, butter, cheese, vegetables.
No salt.
Okay, no salt. All right. Well, some people like salt, but you like it just with a little butter, right? But anyway, this is so simple, even a 7-year-old can help. All right. And you like it, right? come over to my house. Nana, make some scrambled eggs. All right, so we're gonna put this one over here. Okay, so next.
I do anything for a scrambled egg.
That's right, she does. All right, and typically you crack the eggs too, huh? All right, next we're gonna do, what's this one, Evelyn?
Popcorn.
Popcorn. So the thing about popcorn that Nana is just freaked out over this type of popcorn. Who wants to eat that? It's really disgusting. It's just loaded with chemicals. The bag has chemicals on it. And really, do you want your kids or anybody that you care about, do you want them eating this? No. All right, so we don't use that. We do just regular kernels.
That's boring. That's weird.
Yes, we just put.
Throw that away if
Okay.
you have it.
All right, I put a half of a cup of regular kernels into a pretty large, you want a deep glass vessel. And I sprayed a little bit of cooking spray on the bottom, or you can use a little bit of olive oil. All right, Natalie does.
We want to tell you one story about.
Okay, well, wait a minute. Let's do the popcorn first, okay? Then I'm going to use the 9-inch Cuchina Safe Lid. Remember, there's 2 lids, 8-inch, 9-inch. These come in a set, or you can just purchase the 8-inch. This is a great gift. College kids can use it. Anybody that has a microwave, get them started on the Cuchina Safe Lid to cover bowls. All right, so I'm going to do the popcorn. I do popcorn at about 4 minutes, kind of just watch it at the very end. Sometimes I take it out before that, but a half a cup of kernels is actually going to give you, it's going to fill this whole 8-cup container.
If you put too much, it's going to explode.
Yeah, if you don't use the lid, you'll have popcorn all over the microwave.
Yeah, and it's going to be worse. Worse than one there.
Someone just commented, awesome helper.
Oh, she's a great helper. Aren't you, kiddo? And my gosh, look how many eggs you've eaten. I think she likes the eggs. That's a testament to great eggs made in the microwave, and they are steam cooked, which is so healthy. You preserve your nutrients and your vitamins, and it's just a great way of...
This is a little bit hard to eat eggs.
Well, you know what? Use a spoon. How about that?
It's hard.
No. Yeah. Okay. All right. There we go. All right. So now we're doing popcorn. Popcorn goes in... we've got another 3 minutes. So in that 3 minutes, I'm going to talk about another product I have on Amazon, and that is my Cuchina Safe oven mitts. These are mini oven mitts, and these are really, really kind of cool because, if you have to get something out of the microwave, you don't want to use one of those big bulky mitts. These I designed and patented with a special kind of neoprene on this side. It's like a little slipper for your hand, right?
Yeah, it's like,
And
I call it the feet slippers.
yes, that's right. And they're great also for, pulling that tray out in the oven. And these come in 3 different colors, and they come with a little pouch, which is also a pot holder. Natalie, get back here. I'm losing my assistant. These come in black and white polka dot. Hold that one up. They come in red and white polka dot. And they come in a pretty turquoise and white polka dot. All right?
Okay, I'll tell you about the story.
No.
About
I'm afraid about the straw. You want to talk about the cooking spray?
Okay, one time we had a bowl like that,
Okay.
and then we sprayed it in there, and
Okay.
then we were coughing like we
Yes,
were.
Natalie sprayed just a little bit too much. She's learning how to cook,
I
so
don't
she
know
just
about
went a little hog wild on the spray, and yes, we both coughed a little bit, but we're fine now. All right.
Yeah, it was not good at all.
All right, so we've got about 2 minutes left for the popcorn.
Wait.
And a little bit, I'm going to do the steamed vegetables that I'm going to do for about 5 minutes. I'm going to add about a half of a cup of water. And really, when you're steaming vegetables in the microwave, you do not need a lot of water because there is water in our food. And the nice thing about the Kachina Safe Lids is you're steaming your food, so when you microwave, it usually dries your food out, but not so with the Kachina Safe Lid. The bowl cover, it does not dry your food out. Actually, you've
Wait,
got
did
nice
anybody say live
moist
yet?
food. Yes, we are live. I think we're live. Didn't we get a comment from somebody?
We have people watching right
All right,
now.
Natalie, get back here. We've
I
got
wanna
people
say-
watching. Get back here.
Someone said, yummy, I make my eggs in the microwave with the Kachina Safe Lid every
Awesome.
day.
Awesome. How about that? And for people that just came on, this is Natalie's first time she's doing the show. Nana's probably up to almost 100 shows that she's done on live. All right.
And how old are you, Natalie?
7, almost 7.5.
Okay, all right. Okay, popcorn is almost done, Miss Natalie. Now, what happens when we bring the popcorn out of the microwave?
What happens when the popcorn happens?
All right, the bowl is very hot, so I always use the oven mitts or some kind of a towel. Don't ever touch the hot glass, especially with popcorn, because, yeah, it's a bit hot. So I'm not going to let Natalie touch the popcorn until it kind of cools down, and I'm going to put the pot holder down here to put the popcorn on when it's done.
Oh,
So-
someone said hi, Natalie.
You've got a fan. All right, popcorn is coming out.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Did anybody else say anything
Ooh.
yet?
Natalie, get back here. I need you. I need you. Now, with the popcorn, I take the lid off immediately because look at the steam on that. That you don't really, this is the one time you don't want the steam on your food for too long because you don't want to get your popcorn wet. But now we've
Wait,
got,
can we put on butter?
yes we can, we've got perfect popcorn, very few kernels. We are going to add some butter. Let me just take this here. There, we're going to put some butter on top, and because it's so...
Yeah,
What? Oh, you don't... I thought you wanted butter.
I do.
Okay,
But
well,
not that much.
well, it's fine. Once we mix it all up, it'll be fine. All right, so I'm going to let that sit for a second. And then, next, we're going to do vegetables. Do you eat any of these vegetables? No. Okay. These are going to go in the microwave for about I want to say 5 minutes. There's broccoli and peppers and some squash and zucchini.
Okay, I'm gonna be out of that place.
Okay.
I don't
All
like
right.
them.
All right. Someone does not like vegetables.
But I do I love apples actually.
You like what?
I like apples.
Okay.
Someone, go ahead because someone said hi, Natalie. Nice to meet you.
I think you might have to be a regular on the show.
What's
Look
a
at this.
regular show?
Regular on the show?
Ow!
What?
This corn I just pulled down
Oh.
my pants a little bit.
Okay, well, wait. Yes, let's not talk about that on the show. Okay?
Not funny.
Okay.
Pants.
All right. Now, let's see. Is this too hot? Try it. Just try one. Tell me if it's too hot. And what else do we do with popcorn? In the microwave. We do a popcorn crunch. Recipe is on cuchinasafe.com.
My tooth just got
Oh my gosh.
Really.
Your first loose tooth might come off with the popcorn. What if it came off now? Okay, so but what do we do with the
Oh my
popcorn?
God. It's so loose.
All right, what do we do with the popcorn? Melted chocolate. What else do we put on?
M&M's.
Okay.
Sprinkles. Everything.
Everything. So what are we going to do for Valentine's Day? Red M&Ms,
Red M&M's.
melted chocolate,
Melted chocolate.
some red and white sprinkles,
red white sprinkles.
and lots and lots
and pink.
and pink, and lots of popcorn. So this week we're going to make lots of popcorn. Maybe next weekend we can
We
do
can do it with
the
my
crunch.
brother. We can do it with
That's
my brother.
right. We melt the chocolate in the microwave, we do the popcorn in the microwave, and then we drizzle the chocolate on top, and it makes the most unbelievable
Wait,
crunch.
people's watching our show right now while we're distorting it.
No, they're actually watching. You can say hi to them again.
Hello, people.
Okay.
Who are your names?
What are your names? You say?
What is your name?
Here, have a piece of popcorn. All right, so we've got vegetables, and I want to talk once again, so I don't get sidetracked. I'm actually on here selling a product, and I've got my mix.
Wait,
I'm
why
going to show
does it
you.
have an S on it?
Well, it's Cuchina Safe, but it's actually my initials too, since I invented these. I invented these lids. I think I have popcorn in my throat. Okay, so I've got a 9-inch lid, and where's my 8-inch lid?
Wait, did anybody say anything yet?
I've got an 8-inch lid. So these are sold as a set. You can either do the 9 and 8 together, or you can do the 8-inch by itself on Amazon. And I'll tell you what, the 8-inch is a great gift. You can do the 8-inch lid for someone maybe who's just starting out, or a college student, you know. And the other thing is, these keep your microwave nice and clean because they're splatter shields.
Oh,
So you're not going to have a mess all over your microwave.
where's
and you
my
can-
butter?
Oh, okay. And then, all right, stop. And then you can also use them on the stovetop. If you want to,
Disgusting.
cook heat up some sauce.
Someone just said, yum, sounds like some good popcorn.
It is good popcorn, isn't it?
I know, but a little bit too cheap.
Oh, okay. All right. So you can also use the Cuchina Safe Lid to cover a pot or a pan if you want to monitor your food and you want to let that steam release so you don't have things boiling over on the stove top.
And if you want to know, that's my Nana's phone.
Okay. So, all right. All right. Okay. So how much do we have? About a minute and a half. So let's see. What else? I've got the oven mitts. You don't have to.
One second.
They don't have to go on there. But I've got the oven mitts. Check out my oven mitts.
36 seconds.
Okay. Okay. And we did eggs today. We did broccoli. We did popcorn, and now we've got mixed vegetable. I have recipes on cuchinasafe.com. Go to the recipe column, download as many recipes as you like. I have about 90 recipes in a cookbook called Quick and Delish by Susan. So when you purchase the Cuchina Safe Lid and or my Cover and Cook, which is also on Amazon, when you purchase them, and all you have to do is go on my website, cuchinasafe.com, download some recipes, and you're good to go. I tell you how long to steam your vegetables or your sweet potatoes or your baked potatoes, and there's also yummy recipes, including that recipe we're going to make soon with the popcorn, right? Popcorn crunch.
What's popcorn crunch?
The popcorn
For Valentine's.
crunch for Valentine's Day.
Wait, we're going to make it now?
No, we'll probably make it next week. You think? And what do? Drizzle chocolate all over it? Right? Is that what we do?
La, 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 la.
Is that it?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to take out my vegetables.
Oh, wait, if you want to be decorated.
Wait, come back here. We don't want you leaving. I want to tell you something too about the vegetables. Natalie, don't touch this. These are hard, okay? Don't come near it. Now, this right here. Natalie, might move 1 second, okay? All right, this is hot. Now, I'm going to use this, my oven mitts.
Broccoli. So smelly.
I lift the lid. Now, you see all that steam? That cooked the vegetables. The steam cooks the vegetables. And if I want to cook these a little bit longer, I'm just going to leave this sit with the lid on, maybe for another minute, and then they'll be just about perfect. Why don't you come over here so we can say goodbye to everybody, but you can come over here, okay? Come on. Come on up here. You ate all those eggs. You're going to want more. Come on. Back up here. Mom, we have to say goodbye to everybody. I think Natalie likes the popcorn. Actually, the puppy likes the popcorn too. All right. So I'm Susan Castriota. This is Natalie. And I'm the inventor of the Cuchina Safe
Hello.
Glass Lids to cover bowls, primarily in the microwave. They come in the 8-inch by itself, or you get the set of 9 and 8-inch, which is really a good value. So today we did popcorn in the microwave, steamed vegetables in the microwave, and the best of all was what?
Eggy.
Scrambled eggs in the microwave. So check out my recipes on cuchinasafe.com. And should we come back next week and do the chocolate with the drizzle?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll come back next week, over the weekend probably, and do the popcorn drizzle for Valentine's Day, right?
On Valentine's Day.
Well, before that, so people can make it ahead of time. How's that? All right, say goodbye to everybody right there. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you next time. Thanks for joining us.
Okay, anybody said anything yet?
That was it.